everyone. It's me, Miss Leighton, and I have my cameraman. Cameraman, show yourself. We're going to be doing a 3-part series on fractions, and today we're just going to do a lesson on basic fractions. So I have to get my apron on. Ouchie. Okay, here, and look at it, says, this is Toaster's apron. Toast, remember him? Okay, right? Can you go to the table, please, and show them? So today, we're going to talk about, we know our fractions. After this lesson, you are going to know your fractions. And a lot of you, I want you to know, you talked about this in 2nd grade. Hi, cameraman. Okay, so I want to just talk about some quick vocabulary. Back to the table, please. And the first one is just the definition of what a fraction is. And a fraction, it says, is a number that is not a whole number. Okay, it's not 1, not 2, not 3. It's a part of a whole number. And so, such as 1/2, you can also do decimals. Decimals you start in 5th grade, I believe. And then the number 2 definition is it's a small part or a portion of something. Okay, so here we have what a fraction looks like. And see that fraction bar? The first number on top is called the numerator. And a numerator is the number of parts being counted. We're going to be counting slices of pizza in a minute. Okay? And number 2, the 2 is the denominator, is the total number of equal parts. Okay? So we're going to start and we're going to lay out all kinds of pizzas in our pizzeria. I don't know what kind of accent that was. So don't get me, please. So first up, we want to start with a whole. 1 whole pizza. Look how good that looks. Okay, we're going to put it right over here. Back it up, please. So we have a whole pizza. So the next fraction, we're going to study our halves. So if you look, we'll put this together. Here's a whole. And then if you break it apart. 1 out of 2 parts. So one giant slice out of 2 parts. So this name is 1/2. Okay, 2 halves, 2 over 2 equals a whole. Let's separate it a little bit. So the next one, right? Can you guess what will be our next pizza I show you?
No.
Okay, he's only in 2nd grade, everyone.
You don't need to say that.
So we're going to show you thirds now. And how many pieces would be in, how many thirds equals a whole?
4.
3. Mrs. Ryan, we're going to work on that.
I think I'm just going to stop the video.
Well, no, I'm going to stop asking you questions. I apologize. You're going to learn from this video. Okay, my class will giggle about that. So watch this. So 3 equal parts. A big thing with fractions is they have to be equal pieces. So look, if we put these together, it equals 1 whole. And 1 slice is called 1/3 of the pizza. 3/3 makes a whole. Okay, I'm thinking you see a pattern now. The next one is 4ths. You guessed it. And how many pieces equal a whole pizza with 4s? 4. He's getting it, everyone. You!
I already knew that, though.
You did? Okay, so let's organize this. I don't think it matters how I put it. But notice they're all equal. Look at them. 4 pieces equals the whole. Okay, here we go. Next. Now we have 5ths and 5 pieces. 5 equal pieces makes 5ths. So look at this. Oh my god, doesn't it look so good? Make a 5th and it.
6 are
1,
like
2,
actual
3,
slices.
4, 5. No, actually, it wouldn't be.
What?
Pizzas are usually sliced into 8ths, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. But look at 1 piece of the 5th, 1/5 of the pizza. Oh. So 5 equal pieces equals a whole when you're talking 5ths. Next, we have 6, so it should be 6 pieces. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now watch this. Let's put them together. We'll do little equivalent fractions. Look at this. If we took a half of the pizza, how many 6th equals a half? Right?
You said you were asking questions.
You had some anxiety. It would be 3/6. 3/6 equals a half. Look at this one. Ready? 2/4. Move the camera over, please. 2/4 equals a half, and a half equals a half. Okay. Hello. Okay, next. Things aren't usually cut into sevenths, so we skip over that. So now we have eighths.
Oh yeah, it is eighths.
And a big question I am going to ask, so it's 8 pieces of pizza make the whole. How many equal, am I missing one? No,
Yeah.
I'm not. No, I'm not. It looked like it though, didn't it? How many pieces equal a half? Rye, do you know? How many pieces?
4.
Learning.
Oh my god.
And the last one, look at this. You don't usually see this, but 12. 12 pieces are going to make this. Are you getting this?
Yes.
12 pieces equally cut. Okay, hold on a minute. Well, I really need to. I need to really take my time to make this pizza. This is if you were having like a slumber party. You'd cut, and you have a lot of people over, you would cut your pizza into 12s. So look at this. 6 pieces equals 1/2. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We call it 6/12. Before we move on, I just want to show you what these fractions would look like if you use a fraction bar. So look at 1/2 would look like this with a fraction bar. 1 out of 2 is colored. I'm going to put it right on top. Here we have 1 out of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 is colored out of 3. We have fourths. 1 out of 4 total is colored. 1/4. We have fifths. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. We have 6. That's what it would look like as a fraction bar. We have our eighths. And we have 12s. Okay. So one thing is, Ryder, you're going to follow me over. I have a special treat for you all. Actually, first I want to show you. If we put all of those fraction bars on a poster, are you taping? You just taped the dirty floor. Oh my goodness. I thought you did YouTube videos. Anyway, moving on, class. If we put all those fraction bars together, we're going to be studying this in our next video. This shows equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal. But I have a special treat. I have this apron on for a reason. Follow me. Don't show the house, though. It's a mess. I do not have any time to clean. Come on over. And what we have here is a legit pizza.
I need to say legit, but
Well, okay. So get a view of me cutting. I'm going to cut it for the class. So can you get a picture of over me cutting it? No, over here, cut me. I'm going to cut it. Can you see it? Right, the camera up top. Can you see me cutting it?
mm-hmm.
Okay, first we're going to start off with one cut down the middle, and we're going to make half. So I want you to can you put the camera up like that? Man, me and Ryder are going to fight. Oh, you can't see. So with the so see, look, we made 2 equal pieces. So now watch this. We're going to cut it we're going to cut it again, cut it a half and a half, and this is going to make, right, what is it going to make?
Fourths.
Fourths. If you take one away, how many are left?
Thirds.
3/4. Now watch this. If you cut this in half, each of these pieces, I'm trying to make them even. Fractions are all about even pieces. Now how many do we have? Count them.
6 or eighths. My bad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we were to cut it again, which we're not going to because I don't think I'm going to be able to.
Which would be 16.
Nice. It doubles each time I cut it. Great. So look at, we can cut, let me see. We can get 4/8 is a half of a pizza. Yum. Ryder, come and eat a piece.
Okay.
Oh, look, he had it crooked. And now Ryder is going to taste. This is a Tony's pizza. And let's see. Thank you all for watching. We'll talk to you later. In 5, 4, 3, 2.